Hello everyone, welcome to Garamundal. Today I'm gonna show you guys a not cooking video. Today is another unpacking video. It's a Samsung vehicle dock phone holder for your vehicle size for 4-inch to 5.7-inch device, and it's a Samsung brand. And let's see what we got inside. So basically I bought the one from, I'll show you the website I bought. It's like a price is $19.99, and I think is the Royal Mail mailing service is $2.19, so total is $22.18. And it's called, the company is for mobile phone. This is the website I bought it from. The website address is here, www.mobilephone.com blogs. If you want to buy it, I had a previous exactly same model, so that one is broken, so I was thinking to buy exactly same as, because I found it's very handy, so easy to use. Let's see what's inside the box. So it's got this thing here. There is a manual book. You don't need a manual book for this big, for this a phone holder. So I'll leave it on the side. And what's else? So this is the main holder. The suction cup. Yeah, previous one, my one exactly same, but it wasn't Samsung brand. This thing, this clip broken, so I have to buy a new one. And this is a, I think this is the tightening nut bolt, so I'll show you how to fix it. Leave it on the side. And this is the main holder. It looks quite durable. So this is the thing. This goes in there, I think. Okay. Clip's gonna go first. I got confused now. So that one? Yeah, I think it is. It's very easy to use, simple. So the one is gonna move. Can you see? Sorry. When you press that one, this button here, it's easy. So it goes up like this. I'll show you on the side, and it's got plastic wrapping as well. So you want to close, just press this two side, easy. And then again, you press on the button. So that's how it's open. And you can move around that one easily. So this is the main thing. I need to tighten that one more. It's very simple. There is another thing. Okay, there is another thing on the back. I think this is the base for the dashboard. So when the car dashboard, you take this sticky bit out, and then you can fix that one on the dashboard. So normally I don't use on the dashboard. So this goes on the top, and then you press the one, it's gonna suck. Understand? But I use on the like a windscreen, so it's easy to use that way. Just put on the windscreen on the glass on this side, and let's clip it. And that's one. Okay, going the wrong way. That way, it's gonna go that way. And put that one on the, this section goes on the top. And the phone is gonna go in there. Take this one out. You go in there, and you close it like this. And when you take it off, just press the button on the back. It's gonna come up like this. It's quite nice. I recommend that one. If you want to buy this one, you can buy. It's not a paid promotion or anything. I bought it from my own money. I'll put the link down below in the description box. If you guys wanna buy, you can go for it. And thank you very much for staying with me and listening all my my previous videos. All this Boys Gone Rubbish sucks, so I need to buy a new, what is it called, I need to buy a microphone. So if you guys know any good microphone, just comment down below. It's gonna be it's gonna be really, ooh, done.